English typing, legal dictation, speed 35 words per minute. Ready, start. In light of the above legal position, comma, the trial court cannot be said to have committed any error in ordering the suit to proceed ex parte, hearing the arguments and closing the suit for pronouncement of judgment. Full stop. What is provided by Rule 6 of the Civil Courts Act is that each case fixed for any day shall be entered in advance immediately upon a date or adjourned date being fixed, and such entry would show the purpose for which it is set down on each date. Full stop. It further provides that the cases should be classified in such a manner as to show at a glance the nature of work fixed for the particular date. Full stop. Rule 6 basically provides for a procedure which is required to be followed in maintaining the register for the purpose of the dates fixed in the matter and the purpose for which the date has been fixed. Full stop. The said provision does not in any way impinge upon the power of the court to proceed for disposal of the suit in case both the parties or either of the parties fail to appear as provided in order 9 of the code full stop para. The decision of this court in Sahara, India, MANU oblique SC oblique 7136 oblique 2007 bracket 2007 bracket close 11 SCC 800 relied upon by the learned senior counsel for the appellants hardly has any application to the facts of the present case full stop. The facts in that case are indicated in paragraph 4 of the report full stop. On May 13, 2002, the case was fixed for the evidence of the plaintiff full stop. On that day, the presiding officer was on leave and the case was adjourned to May 29, 2002 for the plaintiff's evidence full stop. On May 29, 2002, none appeared for the defendants and the matter was adjourned to May 31, 2002 for final arguments and for orders after lunch full stop. Finally, the suit was decreed by the trial court full stop. The first appeal from the judgment and decree of the trial court was dismissed full stop. The matter then reached this court full stop. It is true that it was argued before this court that the course adopted by the trial court has no sanctity in law. Full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.